Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clean the dust box on Philips HOMERUN 2000 series. To do it, take your robot and flip it over. Now you can just click on the button right here, this blue button which you can see. And now you can take out the dust box and the water tank. And now I'm gonna take the dust box out by clicking on this button, then taking it out. Here is the water tank. I'm gonna leave it now. And here is the dust box. So I can click on here to open it like that. Then I can just empty it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.